Hello. Good evening, namaskar, namaste. Welcome to another episode or session of Meet a Mentor. I am your host Vaishali. We have met HR professional, we have met anchor, we have met IPS officer, politician. So many wonderful inspirational stories we have heard. They have guided us, they have mentored us, they have given us so many insights. I'm sure you all must have been benefited by this sessions that Geodisa has organized. Today, the session is very special to my heart because she is somebody whom I have adored. I have adored during my young days. Being an actor is not about a movie scoreboard. It is about reaching and winning the hearts of fans. As you all know, our today's topic is Footsteps of a Multifaceted Actress. Today, our guest is an enigmatic icon. She is a powerhouse herself. Starting from entertaining us, she has made us cry, she has made us laugh, she has swayed us in her emotions, in her acting. She is someone who's on screen and off screen a wonderful human being. She is a personality who's elusive and magnetic. With her experience of 25 years in the entertainment industry, she has won many hearts. She's a winner of many hearts of her fans. Let's welcome ever graceful, multi-talented, beautiful state award winner Usashi Mishra. Welcome Usashi ma'am. Welcome to our show Meet a Mentor. Thank you so much for being a part.
Thank you very much, Vaishali, for considering me this evening. बहुत ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି।
No, ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ fan. Before we start the show, I have to confess. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମନ ଥିବ ନ ମନ ଥିବ ବହୁତ ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ my first award that I got for anchoring and I was Miss Cuttack. You were the one who had given me the crown and the award was given by you. That is when you had just started your career. That is when you had just started your career in showbiz. So that is when so this I have to tell you, I have to confess that this is what had happened. And
this is coming in folds.
I was so excited. I mean, you are someone who is, not stuck by stardom. Yes, उसे I am sure आपन को घरे समस्ते भलरे थिबे आपन भी निजे भलरे थिबे एई को pandemic time रे माने जत्ते चारी आडे the whole environment is so scary. So I'm sure you must be fine or your family must be fine.
We are all fine because we have taken precautions. हमें initial stage रे ही मोरो मां को 81 years old. So the first stage only we gave her the vaccines, and since I have a comorbidity thalassemia, I had to wait. I took my second vaccine yesterday.
So you're feeling good now?
Of the family. Oh no, it's good now. No, Binduchi.
I know, I can understand. Mane apna, you are a star. Je stuck है you are not stuck by the stardom. So apna is stardom the journey mane केमती आरंभ कले? Did you from childhood did you know that you have to become an actress?
Not really, Vaishali, because I used to act. I was a comedian all through my life, and I've got awards. Mane every year I used to get the best comedian award in my school.
Wow.
पहले मो house रा heart attack हे जाउतला मिलना नहीं. So that was it. But I never wanted to be an actress. सत्य कहବାକୁ गले मोर पूरा totally fluke actress. माने I only सत्तरे but it is difficult, you get entry तमे entry तुमको बहुत सहजरे मिल जिवो किंतु से entry टा को बजाय रखियो टा बड़ा कष्ट उसके बाद पापड़ बेलना पड़ता है
बढ़िया कथा टे कहले बट अपन का जर्नी केमती आरंभ होला माने when did you decide कि नहीं मते actress बनिबार अछि कि that is what I am meant for माने when did all that start?
See, for my first two films it was a fluke film, okay. I just did it for trials. My first film was Bo, and second film immediately mane while I was doing Bo I got another film that was Dharmanikiti. So say dita film mu pura mane kon dekha lete ha kar lete dekh lete hain dekhiba bujiba kardaba ei type ro thila. କିନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ I had a break. ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗି ଆଉ କିଛି ଅଫର ମିଳିଲାନି. Okay. Although that two of the films did very well, ତାପରେ ମତେ କିଛି film ଅଫର ମିଳିଲାନି. And I was studying then, so I went back to my studies. I did my first MBA. So ସେ ଯୋଉ break ନେଲି and then break ପରେ ମତେ ଯୋଉ ଅଫର ମିଳିଲା ଯୋଉଟା କି ମୋ third film ଥିଲା କାଶିଆ କପିଳା. ସେତେବେଳକୁ seriously I started working on how to act. I used to watch all the seniors କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଠି ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେମିତି କିଛି ସ୍କୁଲ ଭୁଲ ନଥିଲା and the best ମୋ ଯୋଉ teacher I consider Sabyasachi Mahapatra my teacher in film line because he taught me how to behave, how to observe, how to learn ସବୁ କିଛି ସେଇ ଶିଖେଇଛନ୍ତି. ତ ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ mentor ହିସାବରେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଜିନିଷ କରିଥିଲେ. सी आमको शूटिंग सेट रे आम सीनियर मान को ऑब्जर्व करबा सिखैतिले. आमको प्रथमे मेकअप कॉस्ट्यूम सब पिंधै करी से हमको 18 घंटा बसै देबे. गो ओ जाओ देखो विजय महांती केमती करचंती आ जाओ देखो महाश्वेता केमती करचंती जाओ देखो मिहिर दास केमती करचंती जाओ देखो स्निग्धा महांती केमती करचंती सिद्धांत महापात्र केमती करचंती. सो आमे तीन जण न्यू कमर थिलु मु ज्योति मिश्र एंड अक्षय बसिया तीन जण बसिकी गोटे लाइन रे धाड़ी रे ऑब्जर्व करथिलु. So that's how it has started, you know, like he has inculcated that thought process to observe people. So more schooling hechi because of observation.
So it is बहुत wonderful. I am sure केते young aspirants माने observation टा केते important सेटा से मैंने बुझी नथि बट till the time you have explained माने एते beautifully अपन explain कले कि गोटे सीनियर यू नो आर्टिस्ट को ऑब्जर्व करके तांकर जा पोटेंशियल तांकर प्लस पॉइंट तांकर पॉजिटिविटी व्हेन यू स्क्वीज इनटू योरसेल्फ you come out powerful, so that you have shown.
And Vaishali, it's not even only one person, you know, so many people see so many seniors were there. So samastikar observation kala belaku when you come out with your own output nijora culture karikri, so it becomes a new thing completely. And खाली शूटिंग सेट रे भी नहीं ता परठू हम माने जेते बळे भी कोठो भी जागा हैला कोठे इंपोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर उठे भिखारी हो कि उठे रिक्शा वाला हो कि एमती जनरली उठे ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल हो हटा ताकी लागि जाय ना तो लागि जैतिबो कि हैंडसम गाय हो मु ताको गधा बळे एमती करी अनिताय तापर से भाबुथबे जे अभद्रडा कोन एमती अनौची तापर मु भाबु जे आई एम लाइक स्टेयरिंग नॉट इवन स्टेयरिंग आई एम गेपिंग मु आ करी अनैची तापरे सॉरी कहिने पळाए.
But you have a tremendous caliber. Mane you have been whooshing from modeling to cinema to TV to jatra. You have a magnificent journey. Mane kemiti how did you you know groom yourself to different acting skills? Mane I am sure cinema ra acting ta jatra ra acting ta TV ra सब बहुत different थिबा. But Kemiti, how did you juggle it? How did you juggle it? I'm really excited about it.
See, the point is, I am like jack of all trades. I get very easily bored. मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर रह जाए और हाँ बहुत जल्दी बोर रह जाए. And the point is like मुझे धन्य मतलब साइकिल चलेबा सिखिबार अछि मुझे जदी साइकिल चलेबा सिखि गली सरी गला excitement gone. So I should not get bored. So that is why when it has happened and God been very graceful मते opportunity भी मिली छी and मु कोनोसी opportunity को हाथ छड़ा करेबी इट्स नहीं लाइक यार नहीं कर सकते हैं चलो देखते हैं मोर से जो चलो देखते हैं एटीट्यूड टा अछि आ कोन हबो हे कि ना चारटा गाली देबे और कोन हबो अधिक कोन हबो. So I was always ready for the गाली बुझ पले तो जब तमे गाली लागी तमे रेडी थिबो तो ताली आसीले तो खराब लागेबो कि अब.
But you are a very versatile actress. You are a very versatile actress.
It's eventually not really. You go and watch my earlier films. I was a buddhu also.
No, that happens na. Sabo. Initially you were a novice. मैंने गोटे bird हेतिले. But जो flower हेले तो flower has become more versatile and appealing to everybody.
very true. But then the point is, भोको जदि थिबो ना यु तम भितरे, so when you become like I've decided कि एटा मोर bread and butter माध्यम हबो, so I have to be very sincere with it. एमती खाली मस्ती रे कर देखना गले हबनी. I was very punctual. I was very disciplined. I only concentrated in my work. ସେତେବେଳେ no boyfriend, no ये से झमला मुंबड़ू मुंबड़ू, only work. ଖାଲି କାମ କେମିତି ଭଲ କରିବୁ ସେଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଦେଲୁ. तो इट वाज लाइक यू नो लाइक फुल कंसंट्रेशन सहित अच्छी ठीक है. आज ये साल में मोर अलग टाइप रो ये थिला मोर एक्टिंग रे एते गोल्स नथिला. व्हाट माय गोल्स वर यू नो लाइक अच्छा ठीक है भगवान ने अगर ये एटा रास्ता देचंती पाथ्य करी कि जे पैसा कमेबी ताले ए पैसाटा कमेकी ना मु ए वर्ष कोनटा करबी. ठीक है हम घरे कार नहीं सब कार टे किनबे ए दी वर्ष टाइम भीतर मोटे कार किनबी. सो दैट इज माय गोल. सो उसके लिए पीछे झगड़ा 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 काम करियो. एंड व्हेन आई वाज यंग आई हैड लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी टू डू दैट. सो नो प्रॉब्लम विथ दैट. दैट इज हाउ द ड्राइव वाज. बट जेतेबेले बयस बढ़िला and then you got the muska of the chaska of the acting, then you started you know competing with your co-actors with, who are like some are Odia, some are international, some are Hindi cinema. कटुची की एबे सुबिला सुबिला
हां टिकट हां एबे सुबिला.
आई गेस वर्षा होची बोलकी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होची. सो
थंडर आउ रेन हमर आज शत्रु पलटी जाइछंती माने when we have such a wonderful guest सेतबेले रेन cannot do this to us.
आई गेस एबे टिके होची एपटे रेन भी होची एंड लाइटनिंग भी होची. सो सेति पई टिके
फ्लिकर करूची. हां टिके आपन को वॉइस भी फ्लिकर करूची.
एग्जैक्टली
माने आपन एते वर्ष लानी. हां कोन आज्ञा
या 20 years हे गलानी मते 21 in fact 21 years.
मु से कहली एते वर्ष हे गलानी आपण निज भितर कोन डिस्कवर करिसंती माने व्हाट इज दैट वन डिस्कवरी यू हैव डन
regarding what acting or my own self.
acting as a person कि मु आउ किछि you know do you have regrets कि आउ किछि करि पाथांती and I am into this field.
No, I don't have regrets. I don't have regrets because it was my own choice. Nobody had pressurized me. So I don't have regrets. It's just that gote dukho hoye je I could have got better roles because एठी लोको माने कोन कहला तम परफॉर्मेंस अनुसार तुमको रोल्स दियंती नी. सो हां एंड दे डोंट इवन एनालाइज. मो लोको को एठी दोष देबेनी स्पेसिफिकली कहया गेले एठी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स नाहंती. कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ओटे बहुत बड्ड काम थाए. He analyzes whether this actor can perform this character or not, or whether this character will be suitably done by this actor or not. So ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା କେହି ନାହିଁ. ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆରେ ଉଷସି अवेलेबल ଅଛି ନା ହଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଦିଅ ଆମର ଏଇଠି ଅଛି. But currently nowadays you know you must be seeing the new generation has arrived. So now the ମାନେ directors of ये आସୁଛନ୍ତି casting directors आସୁଛନ୍ତି. So casting directors बहुत जरूरी अछंती. ସିଏ ହିଁ ଆନାଲାଇଜ କରିପାରିବା. ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ ଆମେ ଉଷସି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଏମିତି ଗୋଲମଟୋଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୋଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ପୋଲିସ ରୋଲରେ ନବା ଯଦି ଉଷସି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କୁ ଏମିତି ଗୋଲ ମୋଟଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତଥାପି ଆମେ ପୋଲିସ ରୋଲରେ ନବା. ସୋ whether that character really suits or not or whether she can perform or not, whether she is fat or thin it doesn't matter କାରଣ ଆଜିକାଲି ବହୁତ ରିୟଲିଷ୍ଟିକ ଲୁକ୍ସ ନିଆ ଯାଉଛି. ସୋ ଆଜିକାଲି ମୋଟା ଆଉ ପତଳାରେ ଏତେ ଫରକ ପଡୁନି. ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ कि मु तुमको कन्विंस कर पारछि कि नहीं जे मु पुलिस बोलकी.
Absolutely.
So that is the point. And that is how it is happened and that is the only thing and I have realized that I don't let go easily. मु जल्दी रे ही किछि छाड़ी दिएनी.
माने that should be the mantra you know कि सब जिनसर गोल ओरिएंटेशन इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. विदाउट द गोल एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि जो माने देखुछंदी हम व्यूअर्स दे विल आल्सो एग्री लाइफ रे गोटे पैशन गोटे गोल रहबा इज सो इंपोर्टेंट. आपण एते हार्ड वर्क करंती हां एज एन एक्टर की एक्ट्रेस हला एते हार्ड वर्क करंती टू गेट इनटू द स्किन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. एब्सोल्युटली निज को होल्ड करिबा निज को से गोटे कैरेक्टर टा को अंडरस्टैंड करिबा. बट
not only that you know Vaishali,
Hmm.
my industry has given me that credibility of, like if they tell me a character, they have given me the credibility of even designing the looks, କିଆ କେମିତି ହବ, ତାର ଯଦି କିଛି punch lines ଅଛି ଆମେ ମାନେ deliver କରିବୁ, ସେଗୁଡା ବି ସେମାନେ ମତେ ମାନେ କରିବାକୁ design କରିବା ଲାଗି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. So whenever you are seeing any character which I am playing these days, it is all designed by me.
Wow, wow. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆସେ ଟିଭି ରେ ଯୋଉ ସିରିୟଲ୍ସ ଗୁଡା ଆସେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଅ ମଷ୍ଟ ୱାଚ୍ ଆଇ ଏନ୍ଜୟ ୱାଚିଂ ୟୁ ମାନେ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ସମवन ହୁ ଇଜ ସୋ ଭର୍ସଟାଇଲ ଯିଏ ହସେଇ ବି ପାରିବ ମାନେ କନ୍ଦେଇ ବି ପାରିବ ଯିଏ ମାନେ ଅଲ୍ ଇମୋସନ୍ସ ଟୁଗେଦର ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅ ଭେରି ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ କମ୍ବିନେସନ ମାନେ and then but when people give you a negative review about any of your performance
Hmm.
how do you take it how do you feel
See, I am a very positive about criticism. ମୁଁ
wow
usually ମତେ ବହୁତ ଜଣ ବି ହଁ by God's grace ମୋର fans କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କି ଯୋଉମାନେ viewers କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ମତେ ଏତେ ମାନେ bad reviews କେବେ ବି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି so ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦୋଷ ଦେବିନି କେବେ ମିଛରେ କାହିଁକି ଦୋଷ ଦେବି so basically ମତେ କେବେ ସେତେ ଖରାପ ଖରାପ କଥା କେହି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି କୁହନ୍ତି I take it positively. I have a chat with those people only mostly. ଯେ କଣଟା ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ହୁଏତ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ସଜାଡି ପାରିବି ମେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ yeah it did not look good or I could have done better so that kind of these feedbacks like kind of push better you should always take it positively किए तुमको यदि गोटे थर गाली भी दे दोची ना तुम उससे पूछो कि क्यों गाली दे रहे हो कोई रीजन तो होनी चाहिए ना भाई ऐसे ही आया भाई थोड़े कोई गाली देता है
absolutely
एमती थोड़े कि बसिकिना किए गाली दे दियंती काहे गाली दबो
hmm.
तुमको अभिनय
Hmm.
भल लागलानी कि मो भल लागेनी कि मोर कोनोसी कथा भल लागलानी समथिंग आल्सो इज देयर टू इरिटेट यू सो से पॉइंट को जब हम पहुंची गला ताको एक्सप्लेन कर दलो ताले और किसी दरकार पड़ेनी
This is such a lovely thing. Mane, taking that extra step, understanding one's flaws kahibini, but sometimes, it- what
no
you
it is
want to
required
project to people, what people perceive is two different things. So definitely, it is so
I
important
know
to
very
go take that extra step and understand. So wonderful, so wonderful. ବଢିଆ କଥାଟେ କହିଲେ
uh,
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ କଥାଟେ କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ବହୁ ଜଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ ମଡେଲ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ ମଡେଲ ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ସର୍ ଜଣେ ସବ୍ୟସାଚୀ ସର୍ ଜଣେ ଥିଲେ ସେମିତି ଆଉ କିଏ
हाँ
ଆକ୍ଟ୍ରେସ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ ୟୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ହାଭ ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ କି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର୍ସ ମତେ ମିଳିଥାନ୍ତା
I don't I don't follow actresses. I am mate actress
okay
mate
actors
actresses
I will rectify my question actors or actresses
that's true because see I've been telling everybody जे मुझे भी ओडिया इंडस्ट्री रे काम करूची I like lot of people I love lot of people's performance but I'm crazy fan of Mihir Das okay
uh,
it's not that Mihir Das करो ମୁଁ ସବୁ film ଜାଣିଛି ଦେଖିଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ମିହିର ଦାସଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ଜାଣିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଅଟୋବାୟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଜାଣିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଆଗ ପଛ ତଳ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛି it's not that it's just that ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯୋଉଠି ବି ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବା ରାଦର ଆଇ ವುଡ୍ ସେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯୋଉଠି ବି ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରିଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିକିରି ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ଶିଖିଛି ଲାଇକ୍ how he delivers, how he takes pauses, how he uses the area, and how he uses his hands or any object which he has in his hand. Those things were like a living school for me. ମୋର ଲାଗି ଗୋଟେ ଲିଭିଂ
wow.
ସ୍କୁଲ ଥିଲା ସେ ପୁରା ଚଲତା ଫିରତା ସ୍କୁଲ ଥିଲେ ଖାଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅନେଇବାର ଥିଲା ସେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଭାବୁଥିବେ ଯେ ଏ ପିଲାଟା ନିହାତି ବଦମାସ ଅଛି ଖାଲି ଅନଉଛି
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଗ୍ଲେଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
କହିଲେ ସେଇଆ ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ କୁହେ ଆଇ ଏନଭେ ୟୁ ମତେ କୌଣସି ଝିଅକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଈର୍ଷା ହୁଏନି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ ଈର୍ଷା ହୁଏ କହିଲେ ଏଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ହଁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ ରୋଲ କରନ୍ତି ଆଣ୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯେମିତି ଭଲ ଭଲ ରୋଲ ଗୁଡା ମିଳେ ଆମକୁ କାହିଁ ମିଳେନି why don't we don't get it so that is why I'm envious of you and but he is also quite inspiring Sophia is there hi
so
Sophia
where
Sophia is watching.
I know. Hi, Sophia. What do you where do you enjoy most? टीवी रे आपन को भल लागे बेसी, यात्रा रे भल लागे ना सिनेमा रे भल लागे, कोठी लागे कि यू नो हियर आई एम एबल टू कनेक्ट विथ द फैंस मोर.
See, सत कहବାକୁ गले I learnt my acting from television mega serial. Kaina cinema doesn't give you a chance of learning, you know. It is like you can polish your acting there, but you can't learn there because it's a 3 hours film and it has got very scheduled time of 45 days. आम बड़कू थिला आजकल तो 15 दिन कौन 10 दिन रे भी फिल्म होची. So एते कम टाइम रे तुमको के सुजोग देबेनी जे यू हैव टू ओके टेक पे टेक लेके चलो और चलते चलो सेमती हबनी. टेलीविजन मेगा सीरियल रे आपन से सुजोगता मिले जे आपण लर्न कर पारे. ठीक है पॉज नहीं करी अच्छा ए मोमेंट टा को मूल्य करी करी जाई पारे बिकॉज़ दैट इज माने को कहलो जदी कंटेंट टा 2 मिनिट रहची ताको केमिते 10 मिनिट रे करियो सेटा हैला हम सीरियल मेगा सीरियल रे कथा. तो सेतरे यू हैव कंट्रोल ओवर योर इमोशंस माने केते कांदीबी केते कंट्रोल करबी कोठे डायलॉग करबी आखि कुआडे जीवो हाथ कुआडे बुलिबो केते लोकन को कैप्चर कर परिबी सेटा थाए. किंतु स्टेज रो मजा वो तो कुछ और ही है.
I will also agree.
I think you are an anchor, so you know it.
Not really, but during my young days, I have also had the flavor of stage.
I know that's what I'm saying. Stage ro maja hala alga maja pura, and it's like dope. You without anything you are get intoxicated. You know, किसी बिना मतलब तुमको निशा है जाए तो instant reaction मिल जाए ना लोगों को जे and then when you see people you perform and when you see यात्रा मु यात्रा रो कथा कहबी थिएटर रो तो बहुत प्रिंसिपल्स था you can't really break यात्रा रो भी था बट यात्रा रो गोटे बेनिफिट था जे फ्रंट लाइन रो लोक मन को अपन पूरा देखि परिबे. So when you are acting and you see those people reacting, you know, तमे कांदुचो कि हसुचो, they are reacting. It is like instant surge of happiness. माने को कहते ना endorphins बड़ा पूरा फाटी पड़े से तबड़ को गत को दे जो तमे.
माने लागुथिबा कि you know I am able to mold them into my character.
My cast exactly. That is what. And सेटा मजा बहुत अलगा. And I think any actor जे स्टेज रे एक्टिंग करूची से सबु बेले कहबो स्टेज रो निशा अलगा निशा.
True, very true. But अपन को कौन लागुची आजिका generations का पाइन आजिका generations का पाइन की ट्रेनिंग बेसी important ना टैलेंट बेसी important.
See, I would say आजिकली छुआ माने much more talented बना सकते हैं. Can you hear me?
टिके टिके अपन को वॉइस ब्रेक करूची. Yeah.
Okay, I think.
बस मजरे ब्रेक करूची.
It's because of the signal.
Now I can hear you. Now I can hear you.
The point is, आजिकली का छुआ माने
rain is bad.
So आजिकली का छुआ कथा कहया को गले they are immensely talented. आमे तो किछि भी जान नथुलु. ए हमको टाणी के ठिया कर दोतले भिडी पकोतले कोन जहा इच्छा पिंदे पकोतले जस्ट तांको इंस्ट्रक्शन रे ही हमें चालुतलु. बट तांकोरो एया प्रॉब्लम होची they are talented, they get chance, but they lack concentration. बहुत concentration रो बहुत अभाव अछि सेमानकर. बहुत finicky, बहुत flicker करंती, फट हुअंती. So I'm not saying you have to live the character all through, but sometimes what happens, you know, when you flicker too much, you lose that thing. धरिए तुम गोटे बहुत बढ़िया serious role करूचो and you laugh too much around on the set and you have too much of fun because new people don't have that kind of command over their emotions. So they lose it. मतलब से ही खाली लगे खाली गोटे लगे जो तांकर concentration भी नहीं और discipline भी नहीं.
Okay.
डिसिप्लिन थी
So these two attributes are very important for actors. They have to be
वेरी
disciplined and they
वेरी
have to
खाली
be
खाली
very
खाली
focused.
एक्टर्स नहीं.
Concentration रहेगा दरकार, focus.
एग्जैक्टली.
That is for everything in life. True, very true.
एग्जैक्टली.
Hmm.
So some children come, हाँ ठीक है मजाक के लिए कर लिया, थोड़ा पॉकेट मनी के लिए कर लिया कि ଟିକେ ପବ୍ଲିକଲି ଚିହ୍ନା ହେଇଯିବା କରିଦବା, ପପୁଲାରିଟି ଲାଗି କରିଦେଲେ. ବଟ୍ ଯିଏ ପୁରା ଏଟାକୁ ଲାଇଫ ଲଙ୍ଗ ମାନେ କରିୟର ବନେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ବା ଲାଇଫ ବନେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କୁ, they should be serious about it.
Okay.
Little
So
bit.
wonderful. And actually, these are very basic attributes, jota कहବାକୁ गले, which all young, girls and boys should actually imbibe in themselves. Without these
Very
attributes,
true.
बहुत difficult हबा गोटे long run रे survive କରିବାକୁ एई career टाको. Thank you.
हाँ, then see, if you don't pave your path, तमे निजे रास्ता निजे तैयारी करिबोनी, and then you
Right.
blame कि हाँ रास्ता उबड़ खाबड़ है. अरे रास्ता तुझे बनाना है बाबू, वो तो माने खाली मरंद्र रास्ता बनाउछो कि पूरा पिचु रास्ता बनाउछो कि कंक्रीट रास्ता बनाउछो, सेटा तमको ऊपर डिपेंड करछि. नुहे कि
You are full of humor. You're full of humor. It's so exciting when I'm talking to you. मैंने more excitement level पर अलगा level रे अच्छी है. मैंने आजकली जो youngers मैंने how can they become an actress? मैंने what all attributes or what all traits they need to possess?
See, I'm nobody to tell them what they should do, but more basically एतिक जानिबा कथा जे माने you know आजकल पिलांक पाखरे बहुत मीडियम अछि. They have got this different digital platforms where they can try their acting skills, and they're doing pretty well also in that. And सेथुरु, but never think that सेथुरु तमे successful हेगलो बोले तमे एई इंडस्ट्री रे successful हेजबो. Because this industry is not of like videos of 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you know. You have to live life here, you have to mingle with the people here. एठिका culture सहित तुमको बढ़िबा पड़िबो. So this is a different place altogether. So जेमती आमे अलगा अलगा जगह अलगा अलगा बिहेव करू, सेमती एठी भी आसे करी एठिकार हबा को पड़िबो. So you have to follow the rules, like you have to तमे तम टैलेंट को आजकल तो पिला माने बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग करते, बढ़िया डांस करते, सम ऑफ देम आर सिंगिंग आल्सो. सो एते कंपटीशन भितरे यू शुड मेक योरसेल्फ द बेस्ट. बिकॉज आम बेल को किछि नतला भाई ना, अच्छा नाई मामू रु कणा मामू भलो, आमे सब कणा मामू गुडा. तो भाई कुछ नहीं है, उसको पकड़ के लेके आओ. Oh, the point is, नहीं नहीं वैशाली, I was a कणा मामू, मु एबे प्लास्टिक सर्जरी कर दीची.
Good one.
Now I am both.
Plastic surgery.
So now I've corrected myself.
Like
से
ଆପଣଙ୍କ voice
से हाँ मु कहली से यार जे एठिके आसिले जेमति तांकर जेते प्लैटर रे समान नेई के आसुचंती, तांको आहुरी भी एक्स्ट्रा दरकार. एंड ता संगरे टिके टिके भाग्य लक डेस्टिनी भी अच्छी. यू नो समटाइम्स बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया एक्टर माड़ खाई पळौचंती. आमे तो देखुछ रियलिटी शोज रे बेले बेले, यू नो लाइक बाय फ्लूक ऑफ माने मे बी दैट डे दे आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल एंड बाहर जाउचंती. So they should not lose heart. That time they should not lose heart. Again gear up and give it a go. छोड़ दोगे तो ऐसे तो सब कुछ छूट जाएगा.
So wonderful. Gear up and give it a go. माने this should be the mantra for everybody. You know, gear up and give it a go. बढ़िया जिनसा. So wonderful. माने एते बहुत जन एस्पायर करंती एक्टर्स की एक्ट्रेस हबा पाई की, बट समस्त को अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेनी. तो आउ किछि अपॉर्चुनिटीज अछि ए शो बिजनेस रे, से तांका निजो को माने दे कैन मॉडिफाई देम देयर टैलेंट की धर एक्ट्रेस हे पालेनी, आमे अलगा किछि करि परबो ए शो बिजनेस रे. तो एमिति आ भी किछि अपॉर्चुनिटीज अछि.
Drama world रे huge amount of opportunities have come out. Can you hear me? Audible?
Now I can hear you. मझरे मझरे आपको voice
okay.
कटि आउची.
हाँ Exactly. ଏବେ ଯଦି ତମେ actor କି actress ହେଇପାରୁନ on the big screen or the television 20 inches screen, so there are now the digital media has come, digital apps re achi, and then these web series are coming, short films are coming, theater is there, short theaters are there, one act plays are there. If you are not even doing very well with that, you can always go for makeup, you can go for costume designing, styling, or କଣ କହିଲେ star management, casting directors, କେତେ କଣ ଅଛି। ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଭାବି ନିଅନ୍ତୁନି ଯେ ଏଇ ଗ୍ଲାମର ଲାଇନ ରେ ଖାଲି acting is the only thing. It has got a huge. I'm telling these things जोटारे आपण माने बहुत टेक्नो माने आपनको बहुत शिक्षा दरकार नहीं. My cat is sitting behind me. See, she's like moving around.
Hello.
I
What
don't
is
know.
her name? What his name?
Just a minute, huh? She's
She?
she's Maya.
Hello.
Maya.
Maya. Beautiful.
ଭିଜି ଯାଇଛି ତ ଭିଜି ଯାଇଛି ଟିକେ ଓ କଣ ହେଲା ଓକେ ଯା
Wonderful to have Maya also with us today.
yeah, she's sitting next to me now. There are many of them.
Wow.
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଭାବୁଛି ସେ କେତେବେଳେ କୁଆଡୁ କଲବଲ ହେଇକିନା ପଶି ଆସିବେ। So
Hello?
that's what I was going back to what you had asked. That if you are not good in something, try out something other. माने बंद कर दियोनी. You know, like maybe you doing that only you will get another opportunity of acting. You know, ହୁଏତ ଆଜି 18 ବର୍ଷରେ ତମକୁ opportunity ନ ମିଳି ପାରେ, ହୁଏତ 20 ରେ ମିଳିବ, ହୁଏତ 23 ରେ ମିଳିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ତମେ ସତରେ ଏଇ ଆମ ଲାଇନ ରେ ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ, you have to keep on pursuing. You just can't give it up, and everybody can't be Amitabh Bachchan, na?
He's the legend.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody can't be Amitabh Bachchan. कोई तो उषा मिश्रा है.
नहीं नहीं उषा मिश्रा भी वहाँ है. For us, that is Bollywood. This is Hollywood. For us to also come in that level.
See, now I also believe, ମୋର belief ଅଛି, ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲ ବାଘର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଡ ନ ହେଇପାରେ ବିଲେଇର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ତ ହେଇପାରିଛି।
Do you think we should have acting schools in Odisha?
Yes, we should have. We already have one academy by government. जोथे आपण माने not only acting, music and dance रो भी अछि, संगीता महाविद्यालय जोटा आपण जानचती, and couple of people also have their own workshops जोटे से माने करूचती, एमती धीरेन सर करूचती, my theatre sir Surya Mahanti, the group is known as Mukti करूचती. So there are many people who are teaching acting. So आपण निजर क्षमता अनुसारे आपण केमिति टाइप रो अभिनय शिखिया को चाहउचंती टिके खोजिले आपण को मिलिबो, बट नॉट मेनी आर देयर. सो आई इन भुवनेश्वर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट भुवनेश्वर. भुवनेश्वर बाहर भी बहुत गुडे इंस्टीट्यूट अछि व्हिच आई एम नॉट वेरी अवेयर ऑफ. आई थिंक संबलपुर रे गोटे दीटा अछि, राउरकेला रे भी अछि, बालेश्वर रे अछि कि नै आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. So couple of trainers are there, but not declared schools. Nine. There is only one school which is a declared and acknowledged school, that is Sangeeta Mahavidyalaya.
Wow. I'm sure बहुत जने viewers जो माने चाहूथिबे acting schools बिसरे जानिबा को तांका ପାଇଁ कि एटा बहुत बड़ा गोटे insight हैला, बड़ा information हैला कि संगीता महाविद्यालय रे आपण जाई कि
I correct myself also now, but I am not very sure ebe acting सिखौचंती कि नाही. I think Centurion University रे भी बधे सिखौचंती, workshops होची, classes होची कि नाही मु जानिनी, and kit रे भी होची. Kit रो भी गोटे directorial गोटे मान तांको कोर्स अछि, तो सेथरे बधे तांकर गोटे part of acting थिबो बधे, but acting किछि सिखौ नांती आ कोठी. Purely acting जदि पाठ पढ़िबा माने हिसाब रे पाठ पढ़िबार अछि, that is only one, that is the Sangeeta Mahavidyalaya.
Have you ever thought of starting one? केबे माइंड रे आसी कि लेटर यू नो मु गोटे आरंभ करबी जोटी मु यंग पिला माने को ट्रेन करबी.
See, I am not a learned actress, बुझिला तो मु अबे लोकन को जदि कहबी जे मु तुमको पाठ पढ़ेबी, that would be wrong. See, I'm nobody to teach anybody. But if anybody wants to ନିଜର ସ୍କିଲ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକୁ ହୋନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି, ନିଜ ୱାର୍କ ମାନେ ଯଦି ଚାହାନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଡିକ୍ସନ ଆସିକି ଶିଖିବେ କି ଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଆସିକି ଶିଖିବେ କି କ୍ୟାମେରା ଫେସିଂ ଆଙ୍ଗଲ ଶିଖିବେ କି ପଜ୍ କେମିତି ଶିଖିବେ, ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି, ଯୋଉଟା ମୋ ସାର୍ଙ୍କଠୁ ମୁଁ ଶିଖିଛି, ସେତିକି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶିଖେଇ ପାରିବି। ସେଟା ୱାର୍କସପ୍ସ ହେଇପାରିବ, ସ୍କୁଲ ହେଇପାରିବ। Or maybe on long run I might hire people and do it with professionals.
That will be, I'm sure that will be a big help to ଆମର ଓଡିଆ industry, film industry ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ help ହବ। If you know some learned people, they start getting ଯୋଉମାନେ experts ଗୁଡା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଣି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ young ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ aspirants actor actresses ମାନଙ୍କୁ train କରିବା, because that is also very important, I feel.
But
Without,
maybe
you might have talent, but somewhere you need that sharpening of your talent भी दरकार ना, ଟିକେ training हेले you become more sharpened.
Absolutely. That's what I'm saying, basically आजिकली जो मैं कहली ना, the new generation lacks concentration, धैर्य नहीं. So nobody wants to go through that 3 years course. Okay. So ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଜିକାଲି workshops ଗୁଡା work କରେ, କାହିଁକି ନା workshops are like 15 days ର workshop ହୁଏ, 1 week ର workshop हुए, 1 month ର workshop हुए, 3 months ର workshop हुए, 6 months ର workshop हुए. So workshops work because these people are fast moving kids. तो ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ ର ପେସ୍ ଟା ବି ବହୁତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ, ତ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାଳ ଦେଇକିରି ଏବେ workshop is the most in thing for anybody to hone their skill, ମାନେ polish କରିବା.
Do you think education is important to become an be in this show business, entertainment industry? ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଗେ ଯାହା ପଢିଛି ପଛେ ପଢିଦିଏ, acting ରେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ actor କି actress ହେଇଗଲି ହେଇଗଲା. But do you think education is also equally important?
Vaishali, education is important in any walk of life. ତମେ କିଛି ବି କର, education is required. Like education is not, like ତମକୁ ତମେ education ଗୋଟେ side track କରିଦେଇକିନା ଆଗେଇ ପାରିବ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଆଜି ଯଦି ତମେ ପାଠ ସାଠ ପଢିନ, ତମର ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତମେ କଣ ବୁଝିବ, କି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କରିବ, କିଛି ବୁଝିପାରିବନି। କି କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ତମେ ଧରିନିଅ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡିଶା ବାହାରେ ଯାଇଛ ନିଜକୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ, ତମେ ନିଜକୁ କଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ ଯଦି ପାଠ ସାଠ ନ ପଢିଥିବ? ସେଠି ତ ଆଉ ଓଡିଆ କହିଲେ ଆଉ ଚଳିବନି, ସେତେବେଳେ ୟୁ ହାଭ ଟୁ ହାଭ another language over a command over it. And education never goes bad, ତମେ ପାଠ ପଢିଥିଲେ ସେଟା କେବେ ବ୍ୟର୍ଥ ଯାଏନି, କୋଉଠି ନା କୋଉଠି କାମ ଦିଏ। and ପାଠ ପଢିଥିଲେ କଣ ହୁଏ ନା, ତମ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ଖୋଲେ, ମାନେ ଥଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା ଖୋଲେ। and ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆର୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ଖୋଲେ, ତା ଭିତରେ ବେଶୀ ମଗଜ ପଶେ, ମାନେ କଥା ପଶେ, and ସେ ବେଶୀ ଭାବିପାରେ, ଭାବିଲେ ହିଁ ସେ ସେତିକି ଭଲ ପରଫର୍ମ କରିପାରିବ, ବା କିଛି ମାନେ ତାକୁ ତାକୁ ଯଦି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କୁହା ହେଇଥିବ ସେଟାକୁ ନେଇକିନା ସେ ଟିକେ ଆନାଲାଇଜ କରିପାରିବ, ଆନାଲାଇଜ କଲାଠୁ ସେ ମନ୍ଥନ କଲାଠୁ ତାଠୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଜିନିଷ ବାହାରିବ। ତ ସେଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଲାଗି ୟୁ ହାଭ ଟୁ ହାଭ ଏଡୁକେସନ।
So basically
and ନିଜ ସେଲ୍ଫ
education is
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ,
a package.
you have for ନିଜ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ଲାଗି ବି you need education.
True, very true. ମାନେ ଯୋଉ କୁହନ୍ତି ନା beauty, charm, education, acting skills, it's a package.
Package,
ଗୋଟେ
exactly.
ଜିନିଷ, ହଁ, ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବି ନଥିବ, somewhere you will lack without that one attribute ନଥିଲେ, ନାଇଁ କି? ଆପଣ କଣ
ନାଇଁ
କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ?
maybe हुआ था, maybe
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
like if
please.
you don't have one, if you don't have one of these attributes, ତମର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ ଟା ଯୋଉ 10 ଲିପ୍ସ ରେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ମାନେ ତମେ 10ଟା ଫୋଲ୍ଡ ରେ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଇଥାନ୍ତ, ହୁଏତ ତମେ ସେତିକି 1 ଫୋଲ୍ଡ ରେ ରହିଯିବ। ସୋ ଏଇଗୁଡା ସବୁ କରିଲେ କିଛି ଖରାପ ତ ନାହିଁ ନା, ଯେ ନିଜକୁ ମାନେ ଧରି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢିଛି and ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛି, ମୁଁ କାଲି ଯାଇକିନା ଟିକେ ନାଚ ଶିଖିଦେଲି କି ଗୀତ ଗାଇବା ଶିଖିଦେଲି କି ପାରିଲି, ମାନେ ଆଇ କୁଡ୍, ଏମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ହିଁ କରନା ପଡେଗା, ମୁଁ ପାରୁଛି, ମୁଁ କରିପାରୁଛି, ମୁଁ କରିଲି, ତ ସେଟା କିଛି ବ୍ୟର୍ଥ ଯାଏନି କେବେ। ଇଟ୍ ଓନଲି ଆଡ୍ସ ଅନ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ ଆଜ୍ ଅ ପର୍ସନ। ତମେ ଯେତେ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ବିଙ୍ଗ ହିସାବରେ ଇଭଲ୍ଭ ହବ, या वैशाली वो है सुबुची
ଆଜ୍ଞା
लिंक फेलियर होची
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଠି ଶୁଭିଲା ମଝିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହଁ ମଝିରେ ପୁଣି ସୁନ୍ଦର ହଉଥିଲା ନା ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ୟଙ୍ଗ aspirants ମାନଙ୍କୁ what are the suggestions do you that you want to give them କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ
सी
କି
हाँ वैशाली आई एम नो बडी टू सजेस्ट देम एनीथिंग बट हाँ ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିବି ଯେ ଯଦି ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଖିଛ ତ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନଟା ତମର ତମେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନଟାକୁ ସିଞ୍ଚିବା ବି ଶିଖ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ସିଞ୍ଚିବା
wow
ଲାଗି ସେତିକି ହିଁ ହଁ ସେତିକି ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ସିଞ୍ଚି ହବନି ତାକୁ ସେତିକି ଖାଦ ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ ମାଟି ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ ପାଣି ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯତ୍ନ ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଟିକେ କାଟିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଛାଣ୍ଟିବାକୁ ପଡିବ so that is what I am trying to say if you want to be an actor you have to give ସେମିତି ହିଁ ତାକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟର ମାଟି ଦରକାର ଟିକେ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ର ଖାଦ ଦରକାର ଟିକେ ଏକ୍ସେଲେନ୍ସ ର ପାଣି ଦରକାର and ଦରକାର ପଡିଲେ କ୍ରିଟିସିଜମ ର କଟିଂ ଶଟିଂ ଦରକାର ସୋ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଦରକାର and then only ସେଟା ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ ସାପଲିଂ ହିସାବରେ କି ଗଛ ହିସାବରେ ବଡ ହବ so I think you
ମାନେ
need to
you
have
explain the
your
whole thing
focus
so beautifully
I can be a good teacher na
ମାନେ ଏତେ no you are a very good speaker you are a very good speaker ମାନେ you know it is like you keep talking and we'll keep listening ମୁଁ I am very sure ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଇଆ ହିଁ କହୁଥିବେ କି ଏ ସେସନ ଟା ଚାଲିଥାଉ stop ହିଁ ନ ହଉ
okay we have Gungun
wonderful
also
ମାନେ
watching
you know hi Gungun
Gungun is also watching अच्छा जॉनी
seriously
भी
ମାନେ
लिखते हाँ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
I can I take one of the reviews
Please,
out
you
here
can take questions because the problem being that I am not able to see my scrolls. If
okay
internet issues, jogu I am not able to be. If you are seeing, please, you can answer questions. Please,
okay okay okay
I am sure
okay
some of you are
Arpita
both excited today.
I know Arpita Priyadarshini has asked how you overcome to the phase of life where you go get no projects do you feel disappointed yes very much ମୁଁ ବି ସେତିକି disappointed feel କରେ କାହିଁକି ନା ମୁଁ ବି ମଣିଷ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ phase ଅଛି I am not getting any projects so but then हाँ again I think ଯେ ये भी है चला जाएगा and हाँ ମୁଁ ସେଥିଲାଗି ଘରେ ବସି ଯାଏନି I also work on it ଯେ I do something or the other so that people remember ମୁଁ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି I am there people should not forget that ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲିକି so I keep on reminding them that I am there so and ଯଦି କିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଲାଗି ନବୁ I pursue that so that's how it is Arpita I hope you got your answer somebody has said good luck bhauja who's bhauja
I am the universal voucher.
that's
I am the universal voucher, and I enjoy being a voucher
ତାହେଲେ
also.
ମତେ କହୁଛୁ okay so Shubhakanta Das is saying good luck to you okay
Thank you.
yeah
Thanks to
you
you.
have an
Thanks to you for एते अपन का busy schedule रू time बाहर करके you joined our show Meet a Mentor एते insight देले हमको young aspirants मानकू केमती भला गोटे actor बनी परिबो actress बनी परिबो कौन talent दरकार कौन attribute दरकार निजको केमती sharpen करी परिबे निजो skill set को and सबुठ important is sapling କଣ ଗୁଡା ନିଜ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଏନଗ୍ରେଭ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଗଛଟେ ହେଇପାରିବ
absolutely ଖାଲି ଗଛ ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ଫଳନ୍ତି ଗଛ
ଫଳ ବି ଦବ ଫଳନ୍ତି ଗଛ
so that
thank you so much Shashi ma'am thank you so much
thank you
because it was a pleasure it was absolutely a pleasure having you on our show lastly you want to tell something to your viewers please
definitely
hello
time is
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଲେ ଶୁଭାଗଲା ମଝିରେ କଟି ଯାଉଛି
हाँ
ତ ମୁଁ
हाँ
ଜାଣି ପାରୁନି ମାନେ ମୋ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ ରେ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟିଲ ହେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
okay ନାଇଁ the point is I would like to say ଯେ pandemic ସମୟ ଅଛି ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରା ହେବେନି प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एई जो समयटा आपनको मिलिची माने भाबंतुनी जेटा गोटा खराब समय एथिरे बहुत पारिबे सीखी पारिबे तो do that, learn something new which will help in your career. And at the same time I would say if anybody wants to know anything about acting or related to acting world or whatever, you all are most welcome to ping me in my Facebook here.
I'm sure अपन मने definitely there'll be many aspiring actors and actresses जे definitely अपन को reach करवा को चाहिए तो अपन मने हमको reach करी परिबे जय ओडिशा Facebook page रे and आमे connect कर दबो मैम को संगे अपन को जहाँ भी questions जहाँ भी queries कि एई सेशन को नेकी भी जदी आपनकर किछि क्वेश्चन अछि जोटा आपण पचारिबा को चाहउछंती यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच टू अस
And we could not
before
take
we
it.
end the show. I know we have a very squeezed time. So before we end the show आपण समस्त को सबु रजबती माने को हैप्पी रज एडवांस रे कहूची हैप्पी रज अलता लगांतु झूला झूलंतु पान खांतु पिठा खांतु एंजॉय करंतु बाहरे कोरोना ता बाटरे घरे आमे खुशी रे रहबा शांति रे रहबा निज परिवार सहित आ प्रति मुहूर्त एंजॉय करबा काना भगवान कर गुटे ब्लेसिंग्स कि एंती सिचुएशन हेची कि आमे हम निज लोकन संगे रहूचे तांग संगे टाइम स्पेंड करूचे आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ अस आमे काम करूचे टाइम दे पारु नथिले निज परिवार को एटलीस्ट एई बहाना रे आमे टाइम दे पारिले
Perfectly said.
And
at the end,
and not to forget mask. Definitely.
मास्क पिंधिबे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करिबे हाथ को 20 सेकेंड पाई घसी घासी धोइबे
सबुठु इम्पोर्टेंट मास्क आपनकर प्रोटेक्शन मास्क लगे
हां नहीं तापरे यू नो वैशाली दे शुड टेक देयर वैक्सीन्स आल्सो
yes I agree vaccine slots
have my mask right now. So thank you for such a beautiful discussion.
Thank you so much for coming. Next Saturday आमे पुणी आसीबु पुणी आ गोटे वंडरफुल गेस्ट को सहित पुणी गोटे नुआ टॉपिक पुणी नुआ डिस्कशन पुणी नुआ इनसाइट till then wait for Saturday as we wait for you all. Bye, good night.